So God says, I make known the end from the beginning. You see, and I'm reading from the NIV. From ancient times, what is to come. I said, my purpose will stand. And I will do all that I please, says the Lord. But look, he says, I make known the end from the beginning. The end from the beginning. The end from the beginning. God lets you know the end from the beginning. In other words, God has created you for a purpose. You have a purpose for which you were born. And many of us are living without purpose. We have a purpose, but we're not following the purpose. We don't have a vision. Vision is what gives direction to your purpose. Vision is purpose and action. Vision clarifies and articulates the goal. Because a vision must be comprehensive. Write this down, please. Vision must be comprehensive and detailed. Vision is not a phrase. Vision cannot be a phrase. Imagine if your vision is a phrase of a business. Just a phrase. It's all you're going to get then. That's all you're going to get. But if your vision is comprehensive and detailed, in other words, it has everything in it. Everything. For instance, I want you to just look the altar here. Just look at it. You're looking at, through your lens, your eyes, you're looking at a vision, right? It's not a spiritual vision, it's natural vision. You see what it is. And if I ask you, what do you see?
I see flowers.
He sees flowers. Is that it? Is that it?
It's not all.
What else do you see? Huh? I see lights. What kind of lights are those? Fluorescent lights. Okay, imagine if you write a vision where you say, I see lights. And what you're going to get is just lights. But when you really see fluorescent lights, that's what you're going to get. So you got to be as detailed as you can be of what God is showing you so it can come to pass. And then the other thing is we get somebody talk about the team and how do you have the team understand your vision and follow your vision? Well, it's not clear to you. How can it be clear to your team? So the first step is for you to be clear. You want people to run with the vision, it has to be clear in you first. So I dare to say that one of the biggest issues with vision is we are not clear. And since we are not clear, people around us are not clear.